Well, the dollars a firm invests in a marketing and business development program really depends on the type of firm, the type of practice, who your audience is. The benchmark is 2 to 4% of gross revenue for commercial firms. Now, for personal injury firms, we're seeing it up there toward 10% or more. You're having to reach a wider audience, more expensive channels. Insurance defense firms, for example, might spend less because they have a finite set of clients and can really focus their resources on fewer audiences. 2 to 4% is the benchmark, but I think you got to look beyond money and consider time, lawyer time, staff time. For lawyers, I suggest at the partner level about 10%, 200 hours. Not everybody doing the same thing, but things that each lawyer enjoys and will sustain. For associates, about 200 hours a year. So those are some of the industry benchmarks, and so that's where I might recommend 2 to 4% of gross revenue.
And it comes back to what you do with your time, because money can be an issue for everyone, but time is valuable in where you invest it. There's a book that's called Never Eat Alone. And the gist of it is simply that, never eat alone. If there's a prospect or someone that you feel could be a good referral source for you, take them out to lunch, get to know them, make sure that you know what your value is and your mission statement so that you can share it. If you're in an area like personal injury that's incredibly competitive, find a specific niche. Maybe you focus just on bicycle accident law as opposed to the whole gamut of car accidents, truck accidents, negligence, security, etc. Find something that's specialized so that you can compete effectively and invest your time and money there.
Invest it wisely, invest it strategically, just throwing money at stuff, reacting to, quote, opportunities that present themselves. I see a lot of firms wasting resources in the area of charitable contributions, for example, and directory listings. Think wisely, think long about what you're trying to do, and focus your resources accordingly.